Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in mixtures. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, a can contains 80 liters of milk. Friends, now 8 liters of milk is drawn and replaced by water. And this process was repeated further 2 more times. And here our question is, what is the quantity of the milk left in the can? Friends, milk left after n operations. Milk left after n operations is given by x into 1 minus y by x whole power n. X into 1 minus y by x whole power n, where x is the initial quantity of the milk and y is how much milk is drawn and replaced by water every time, and n is how many times this operation is done. So here x is equal to 80 liters, 80 into 1 minus y, 8 liters of milk is drawn, 8 by 80, this is done 3 times, so whole power 3. It implies 80 into 8 tens, 1 minus 1 by 10, 9 by 10, 9 by 10 whole cube. This is equal to 80 into 9 cube means 729, 10 cube means 1000, 0 0 cancel. Friends, 8 17 29, 8 9s 72, 8 2s 16 plus 7 23, 8 7s 56 plus 2 58 by 100. So 58.32 liters friends. Thank you.